Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious meat pie from scratch. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to achieving that perfect golden crust. This guide will help you create a hearty, comforting meal that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. Let's dive into the wonderful world of homemade meat pies. Crafting the savory filling is where the magic truly begins. Start by browning 2 pounds of ground meat until it's fully cooked. Then, add your diced vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them until they are tender. Stir in a rich gravy and season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper for a robust flavor. This hearty mixture forms the delicious core of your pie. Assembling your meat pie is a straightforward process. First, carefully line a 9-inch pie dish with one of your prepared pie crusts. Next, spoon the savory meat and vegetable filling evenly into the crust, ensuring it's well distributed. Then, gently place the second pie crust over the filling, sealing the edges firmly to prevent any leakage. Don't forget to cut several small vents in the top crust. This allows steam to escape during baking. Baking your meat pie to perfection is the final step. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the assembled pie in the oven and bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes, or until the crust achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Once baked, let the pie rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period helps the filling set. Serve your warm, delicious meat pie with a side of creamy mashed potatoes for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.